Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make one of the most famous German cakes named Bienenstich or bee sting cake in English. When it comes to the recipe for a German Bienenstich cake, people will argue with passion if it is made with a yeast dough or a sponge, when and how the topping will be added, and how the perfect custard must be made. This recipe is one of a series of bee sting cake recipes that I will show you in the following month, so you will have the chance to find your favorite recipe. Let's get started with this easy and fast version of a bee sting sponge cake. Beat the eggs with sugar and salt for about 10 minutes on the highest setting of your kitchen mixer. Combine the flour, almond flour, cornstarch and baking powder and sift into the bowl with the egg mixture. Fold in carefully on the lowest setting of your kitchen machine or by hand. Then add the melted butter and mix carefully. Line the bottom of a springform pan with baking paper. Add the batter and sprinkle the top with almonds. Then bake the cake in a preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. In the meantime, you can prepare the topping. Melt butter, sugar and honey in a small pan on low heat to prevent it from burning. Pour the yummy mixture over the warm cake and let the cake cool completely. For the filling, you can use our vanilla cake custard recipe, but as this is supposed to be a fast recipe, I wanted to show you how to use an instant pudding mix to make the filling. Mix the heavy whipping cream with the pudding mix. Now you just need to cut the cake into 2 halves and fill it with the pudding cream. It is best to prepare the cake the day before you will serve it, as the moisture of the vanilla cream will slightly soak into the sponge and makes it delectably flavorful. Guten Appetit!